To set up Do Not Disturb mode in POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, select sound and vibration, then move down again and enter Do Not Disturb. Now, first option is to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode, so you can toggle it on and off right here. Then you can enable only when device is locked. What will happen if you activate Do Not Disturb mode, it will only get its effect when you lock your device, when this option is active. If you disable it, your Do Not Disturb mode will work all the time. Then there's option for notify about calls. You can manage who will be able to reach you, but basically bypass Do Not Disturb mode. None of the people from start contacts only, people from contacts only, and finally anyone. There's also option to notify you about repeated callers. So if somebody tries to call you multiple times, around 2 times actually, in a span of 15 minutes, then this call will go through. You can enable or disable it as well. And you can also adjust the schedule for Do Not Disturb mode to toggle on automatically. So you can add your own rules right here and, for example, set up Do Not Disturb mode only for a sleep time. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.